Welcome to my channel, where we discuss everything and all things politics, economy, and development in Nigeria and around the world. When the former governor of Anambra State and the former presidential candidate of the Labour Party in the 2023 presidential election, Peter Obi, met with Governor of Bauchi State, Bola Ahmed, who is also the chairman of the PDP Governors Forum, and said that the APC under Bola Ahmed Tinubu has done well. That was sarcasm at its best, and that is what we're going to talk about in this video. And if you are new to my channel, you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, hit the subscription button, hit the notification bell. When you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, anytime I have a new video, you'll be among the first to know. God bless you. Now, the former governor of Anambra State and the former Labour Party presidential candidate was in Bauchi State, as he put it, in his quest for consultation with major stakeholders in Nigeria in order to resolve the challenges facing this country and to find a way forward. In that place, in Bauchi, he was able to talk about the state of the nation. And he said that under President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, under the APC, that the APC under Tinubu has done well. He was being sarcastic, but some people didn't understand that except when they read deep into the matter. What he was saying was that APC under Tinubu has been far worse than APC under Muhammadu Buhari. And he did put it clearly that Nigeria is worse off today under Tinubu than it was under Buhari. As bad as Buhari's regime was, this is worse than Buhari's. And he said that Tinubu has done well because what he said he would do, that is what he has accomplished. When Tinubu was campaigning, he reminded Nigeria that Tinubu said that he's going to start from where Buhari stopped. So in other words, he has been building on the failure of Buhari. So the former governor of Anambra State cited some instances to show indeed that this Tinubu administration is building on the foundation, a disastrous foundation of Muhammadu Buhari government. He said that Buhari stopped dollar during Buhari time, according to Peter Obi. Dollar was at 400 naira to the dollar. It's 400 naira to the dollar. It is now about 1,600 naira to the dollar under Tinubu. It means that Tinubu has indeed achieved more success than Buhari in terms of the hardship it has created, in terms of the value of the naira. The naira has done far worse under his administration than under Buhari. He said that a bag of rice was about 30,000 naira under Buhari. Now it's about 100,000. Beans was at 40,000, but it's now about 100,000. And that fuel was about 200 naira per liter. Now it's about 1,000 naira per liter. And of course, you can go on and on to look at the data between Buhari and Tinubu. You will know that indeed Tinubu has built on the foundation, the disastrous foundation of Buhari. He has built on it as he promised. Because even if you look at the data coming out on insecurity in Nigeria. Insecurity is worse than what it was under Buhari, even though Buhari's time was terrible. You know that before Buhari came in, insecurity was restricted to the northeast. Now, under Buhari, insecurity was all over the country, including Buhari's home state, Castina, where bandits are controlling several local governments. And there are IDPs. There are IDPs. There was no IDPs in Katsina State before Buhari became president. Now, under his administration, APC, there was IDPs in Katsina and several parts of the country. So they worsened the insecurity in Nigeria that was restricted in Northeast. It now became a national, now insecurity had national spread, and Tinubu's administration is continuing in that light. In fact, one of the staunch supporters of APC who has now defected to SDP, El-Rufai, alleged recently in the case of Kaduna that bandits are paid by the Nigerian government to release hostages, that they don't confront bandits, they only allegedly pay money for them to release their hostages and then stage a ceremony to seem as if they perform anything strategically important in the release of those victims. El-Rufai made that allegation and they have not countered him. They pretended they didn't see that allegation by El-Rufai to counter him that it is not true. But El-Rufai said it, that is the pattern they are following. In other words, they are empowering the bandits. That was El-Rufai alleged. So you can see things are worse now, even in the area of insecurity, than it was under Buhari. So all these things were things that Peter Obi pointed out to show that indeed Tinubu is doing well. And it's now left for Nigerians to know whether to allow him to continue to do well as he's doing in 2027. And that was part of the reason for Peter Obi's consultation with all opposition leaders across the country to see what can be done to salvage the country from the stranglehold of the APC that had rendered this country an economic mess and a laughingstock among Committee of Nations. What do you think about Peter Obi's sarcasm that APC under Tinubu has done well in running the country? Let's hear from you at the comment section. Thank you for watching this video, and if you are new to my channel, you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, hit the subscription button, hit the notification bell. When you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, anytime I have a new video, you'll be among the first to know. God bless you. And please don't forget to like this video, because when you like it, God will rank it high and recommend it for more people. Thank you, and God bless you and yours.